This is a quick video on how to remove a stuck key in the ignition of a VW. In this instance it's the VW Polo, but I believe it's almost the same on most automatic cars. So this is the 1.4 automatic, and it isn't the fob system, it's the key in the ignition, so it doesn't go like the later newer cars. But again, I believe it's the same with them. This is also dedicated more to the European market, and for instance in this case it's the UK market. What tends to happen is you switch the key on, the ignition on, and when you come to remove it, it sticks. In this case it doesn't, because I fixed it yesterday. However, no matter how much you jiggle it about, it will not pull out. And the source is because the ignition, the steering, the brake system and the automatic gearbox is all linked as safety features, and it's to do with the selector button. It wears loose inside, and without taking this cowling off, there's a little metal button that gets stuck, a little piece of I don't know how best to explain it. Anyway, it's inside here, and because it doesn't quite switch the sensors on and off, it will not let you release the key from the ignition. So just by jiggling, obviously in the automatic and the VW you have to put your foot on the brake, and then you switch it on first by ignition on, by just by moving it backwards and forwards. You don't even have to move it backwards and forwards, just jiggle. You can see if you can hear it. You can hear it down by the key sensor area. It's a little clicking, and then that just almost resets it, if you like. And then removing it, and that's all that it is. You see some of the YouTube saying to turn the steering wheel right over to the left, etc. But it's usually a sign that the barrel might be going. However, as a quick fix, that's your button there. Just click it backwards and forwards. If it doesn't release after a few goes, physically move the selector backwards and forwards a few times. You can hear that clicking. That's not the clicking of this bit, it's the clicking you can hear on the column. So it's all linked. Auto gearbox, steering wheel, ignition and brake. It's all linked. So give it a go. It's worked for me, and I believe it's across, I would suggest, nearly all the automatics there is. Definitely on VW it's a fault. I believe it's a quick fix on the underneath. If when you take this shrouding off, you can see it. The ignition barrel a little bit more expensive, but whatever that quick fix is working, it should get you out of a tight spot. So thanks again for watching. I hope I've helped. I'm not a mechanic, this is just what I've done to get my key out. If you like what you hear, like what you see, please subscribe. Click on the bell notification button for anything else I can come up with. And as I normally say, catch you again later. Thanks for watching.